personalisation is key to business offerings from organisations like Google. When we visit the Google portal, what we want is a personalised experience. We want it to be customised to our preferences, our traits, our behaviours, the way we like to see things. And we're used to entering a portal and having our email presented to us in a certain way, looking at news that's local and relevant to us, looking at financial issues that are pertaining to the way we like to transact, and a whole lot of other things like local weather patterns or local events that are occurring that I could visit at any point in time. And this personalisation is interesting because while you personalise, organisations like Google can then use those featured limitations to further investigate, further attract you by offering things that are relevant to your personalised environment or world. So if you like reading about sports cars, well, Google will just give you more information about sports cars, and they might actually invite you to an event about sports cars. If you like fashion, well, maybe you'll be told about a local store that sells women's fashion and about discounts that might suit you at a particular point. So this cycle of information is fed back, and really that's the basic fundamental building blocks of customer relationship management. You attract a customer online, you look at their buying behaviours, you create something called stickiness drivers that help them to come back, attract them to come back, and then you keep going around and around in circles. So is this perhaps customer exploitation, or is it customer relationship or helping your customer? You know, one can be quite cynical on the one hand, but it's quite helpful as well in other cases. So to personalise may mean to actually give away a part of yourself, give away your likes and dislikes, give away some information about what makes you an individual, and that then is used for you to attract you or entice you to other things that you might like to consider, whether it's buying, whether it's something you want to read, or whether it's something you just want to do in your spare time. So this cycle continues as you give perhaps the machine or the application more data. It can use that data to conduct more sophisticated target marketing on you. You can be profiled more exactly. Even by the messages that you write to your friends, you can be somewhat profiled. In the example of Google, we have this Google product called AdWords, which allows Google to target your preferences. And so you might be typing an email about tennis, who won the Wimbledon, for example, and all of a sudden you're bamboozled with ads about tennis attire or tennis rackets or watching a tennis game. So whether this is personalisation to the benefit of the individual or whether it has some other sinister types of implications is for the individual user to, I guess, figure out.